at All Terrain, we kind of specialise in products that people need. And our business actually developed from a customisation service. So we get a lot of customers that come into us and say, we need this made up, can you do it? And we do a bit of custom work. And then what actually happens is after we've made a few of the same product, we basically sell it. That's what we shelf it, or we advertise it on our website. And then we test it in the market to see if it sells. This is how this business kind of developed. Starlink being kind of one of the hot topics in the last couple of years has been a big thing. And our custom mounts that we've made, both our permanent, our portable, and our temporary mount setups are very popular. A lot of our mounts are actually used in a lot of commercial applications, but it's a product that's kind of trusted within the community. And if you're looking for a solution, just reach out to us, allterrain.com.au. And even if we don't have a product that you can find on our website, just ask us. We might be able to make something for you guys, or we might already have something that was made for someone else. We just haven't marketed it yet. So you never know. Anyway, I'll wait for the boys to get here and then we'll set up camp and get ready for the night.